Top 3 reasons tech is a better industry than the medical or legal fields. Number 1, pay. The tech industry is the most profitable in the world. There are unlimited copies of that Facebook and Instagram app that you have. But when you look at the pharmaceutical industry, each drug has to be manufactured and there are only so many doctors. That's why healthcare is so expensive. The same for lawyers. There are only a finite amount of lawyers that can only do a certain amount of work. Number 2, work-life balance. Now this is where pay really comes into play. Doctors make more than the average tech industry worker, but they have to work way more hours. When you do the numbers, doctors actually make about the same as a high-earning tech industry worker. Number 3, industry culture. The tech industry has only been around for about 50 years, so the approach is a lot more modern. The medical field has probably been around since the beginning of time, and the legal field probably hundreds of years. I'm a software engineer and I'm 100% remote. I can complete the same amount of work in comfortable clothing in my own home as I would in an office. In the tech industry, that's an accepted belief. Lawyers have to wear a suit every single day and go to the office. Doctors have to be in a hospital. The industry is just a lot more flexible